Another full delivery from Titash Sadhu will seal the game. The Bangladesh batters scamper across for a couple of runs. There is a midfield and extra runs conceded, make it 3. But India have won the match, and as Harmanpreet Kaur gestured there, India could have done it in a far more calm and collected manner. They do not. Perhaps something for the coaches to write down in their notebooks. Bowled into the stumps, played into the leg side by Rabia. Titash Sadhu comes in with a lot of promise, and it's good to see that the Indian team management have given her some game time in these last 2 matches. Comes from the same land as the great Jhulan Goswami, the leading wicket taker in women's international cricket, and also Titash's idol. Up and over, had enough muscle, but another chance gone a-begging. Was a difficult chance for certain. These catches keep finding Pooja Vastrakar in that V, but she's unable to get hold of them, cling onto them. This was the more difficult chance of the 2 she's had so far.
Purely bad day for her, and she would like to forget as well.
More into the block hole this time around from Titash Sadhu. Decent execution. Was the player of the final at the Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup last year, which gave Shafali Verma the distinction of becoming the first Indian woman to win an ICC Women's World Cup. 2 more balls to go in this series. Rabia Khan skies it towards the fielder and falls short of Deepti Sharma, who dived in front. Did she carry? Did the ball carry all the way to Deepti? Looks like she got her fingertips to it. So the ball is flying around, but the Indians are not able to cling on to that. Yeah, definitely did fall short.
Good change of pace by Titash, especially slow cover. If you can bowl like this, is always effective.
Final ball of the over, down the leg side, and will be adjudged wide. Bit of an anti-climax in that last ball of the series.
Batsman moving across so early. Titash just missed the wicket.
India now just moments away from their second ever 5 T20I clean sweep. Another full delivery from Titash Sadhu will seal the game. The Bangladesh batters scamper across for a couple of runs. There is a midfield and extra runs conceded, make it 3. But India have won the match, and as Harmanpreet Kaur gestured there, India could have done it in a far more calm and collected manner. They do not. Perhaps something for the coaches to write down in their notebooks. Doesn't matter in the end, as India seal a 5-0 series sweep on their 2024 tour of Bangladesh. They came on this tour off the back of a series defeat 2-1 to Australia at home, and they're walking away from this tour with a 5-0 emphatic scoreline. But there are creases to be ironed out, deficiencies and shortcomings to be looked into as they lead into the ICC Women's T20 World Cup. Before that, they'll obviously play the Asia Cup in Dambulla in July. There is a home series in the multi-format manner against South Africa before that. The margin of victory for the visiting side.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.